Asparagus risotto. Now for this you need an onion chopped, a garlic clove chopped, a stick of celery chopped, and 100 grams of rice per person. You can use risotto rice, but I often use organic brown rice, but you do need to cook that for longer. And you need a splash of white wine. You want about 110 grams of fine asparagus. You want to chop the asparagus into discs, but keep the tips whole, so maybe about an inch or inch and a half long. A cup of peas cooked, a handful of fresh mint, half a lemon juiced, nutritional yeast, and a litre of vegetable stock. Now, if you use organic brown rice instead of risotto rice, I suggest you put the rice into boiling water and cook it for 10 minutes while you're chopping up the onion and garlic. And then cook the onion, garlic and celery gently in a saucepan. When the vegetables have softened, add the risotto rice or the organic brown rice and turn up the heat. When the rice looks translucent, add the wine and keep stirring. The alcohol will evaporate, but it will leave a lovely taste. And then add a ladleful of stock and stir. Add the lemon juice and asparagus discs, keeping the tips to one side. Keep adding the stock and stir until the rice is cooked. Just before the end, add the mint and the nutritional yeast and the asparagus tips and stir these in until the tips are lightly cooked. And there it is.